input into the conference? That was the idea. We came a few months ago, or maybe a year ago, in which way this conference should be organized and what would be the purpose of this conference. We wanted this conference to be kind of impactful for the life science innovations in Europe. In terms that the idea was to gather together the all most important experts from the innovations in life science field, the related, involved in the ecosystem of innovations, life science innovations in Europe, and have discussion about the future, key success factors, and actions that we should all together take in order to succeed in this area. We are all very much interested in this, in delivering the results in life sciences, life science innovations, and this is the weakest point in Europe. Draghi's report and the other reports which were kind of cited very often during the conference point us there is a problem. Point to us that there is a problem, and now we are talking about that. Okay, we know there is a problem. We are talking about these problems for many years. What should we do about this? And there is some interesting points already taken out. Will be more, of course, because we are preparing the report after the conference. The report will be really including, covering everything what has been said here and organized in the kind of comprehensive message. Where we are going, what are the barriers, what are the key success factors, what should we do? And for example, I can give you one example. People are used to complain about regulations, but it comes out that we shouldn't be afraid of regulations, we should be afraid of fragmentation. And that's a different story. Today we learned, for example, from Imer Cook, that regulation is our ally, not enemy. And this is a message which I think not very often has been passed to the community, and people not probably doesn't understand. We are on the same side, so we have to utilize this. That's the example. For the conference, we collected something like more than 500 experts. It's really top experts assigned to the conference, and something about 40 speakers. I don't remember the exact number. So I think this is a successful conference, but the success we will be measuring in the way that how many people will actually read the report and make it, use it in their actions. Based on this conference, I think we should already announce and invite people to our next conference, LifeScience Open Space annual event, which will be held in November 27-28, if I remember, Thursday, Friday, last week of November. And again, we'll be inviting experts from all over Europe, talking about the collaborations. So what we can offer, in which way we can collaborate. So please make the date in your calendars and prepare yourself to apply, to propose your pitch about in which way we can collaborate in several dimensions, in several possible domains. You'll be able to learn about this soon on our website, LifeScienceOpenSpace.info, lsos.info. It will be great. It will take us a long time to get there. That's why that's why it is important that we start now. We have already started, and most probably we will have to a little bit wait. But if we don't start changing into the future, into the better future, it will wait much longer. One important message again from this conference was we have started learning, because we don't learn. So far, it seems like we are not learning. Learning makes progress faster. That's yet another message taken out from these discussions. The conference gathered together over 500 participants, experts from all over Europe, and in these 60 super experts participating in the discussions and panels. So it's actually great material to learn from.